I'm going to show you all how to set up the volleyball net. So you'll need the 3 pieces of tools. This raises and lowers the height of the volleyball net. This cranks the tightness of the net itself. And then the screwdriver is used for a couple different things. So we're going to open the hole first. There's a little divot, so you'll just put the screwdriver in. Pop it up. There. Then you'll take your first pull. And this one has the large crank mechanism, which I use closest to the storage just because it's a heavy pull. And the other side I've already set up, it's the same process. It's a different pull that does not have this crank mechanism. So next I will grab the volleyball net, and I'll show you how to set that part up. Here goes the net. I'm storing it in one of our little trash cans. The piece with the large cable goes on this half. And then it feeds through this top crank. And it just uses a carabiner to hook on. Then we'll go down and set up and hook up the next one. So this side you just hook on with a carabiner. So this is the piece that actually tightens the bottom of the volleyball net. There's 2 little carabiners. And then there's a silver lever that just releases and tightens it. Just tighten it to this other carabiner. And then you want this silver piece facing the outside of it. So you can just pull it and you'll hear a little clicking, and then you just pull this lever forward to release it. And then when you're undoing it, you'll just unhook it and just hook it back on this other side so it doesn't get messed up or lost. So I'm gonna finish setting it up, so I'm gonna keep it tight. But you don't want it too tight because you still have to tighten the top of the volleyball net. So we'll go back to the other side. Okay. So the red tool and the crank. So the red tool, there's a little holder on the pole, and then this you hook onto this little nub. Then you just tighten it, and then up. You just want to make sure this cable is on the wheel up there, or else it will mess up the cable. All right. Then this side we're gonna do the same piece with the pulley system. It's hooked onto a D-ring down here. So you'll just feed it through. Then see, it's a little tight right now, so to release it you just push it forward and you hook it onto that the D-ring, and then here you're just going to pull it tight. And you don't really want it to go past this at all, and we also have it loosened on that side so we still can re-tighten that. So we'll go down there and do that. Okay, so we're back onto the other side, so you're going to want to just re-tighten this. And then you'll want to check this antenna to make sure it's lined up with our exterior, which our exterior is a white line. So once this is all set up, now I'm going to show you how to take it down. So you'll just un-velcro it, the top and the bottom. Then we'll just put that on the ground. We'll put these in the trash can with the net. Okay, now we're going to take down the volleyball net. So since this is a little tight, I can't push the silver lever forward. So you just take the screwdriver, you put it in, and you just push forward a little bit, not much, and it releases it enough that you can undo it. And you just take that, feed it through, take that extra slack, and you'll just hook it back to that D-ring so it's all together and not just loose and gets tangled in the net, okay? And then you'll just undo the volleyball net. You'll just take it all the way down and then you'll unhook it. All right, so now it's all the way lowered. So we'll unhook this large carabiner and just set the volleyball net on the floor slowly. And then we'll unhook the other half. So this side is under the carabiner again. You'll sit on the floor. And this side still has the pulley system, so you'll just unhook one of the halves, pull that around, and then just rehook it to that carabiner so it's still snug. and we don't lose it, okay? So this part, for the volleyball net, you'll just fold it in half. You go down. You lift it up again. Then at this point, it's pretty much hold it as much as possible. You grab it like this, and you come and put it in that trash. And this trash can just goes back in your storage. Right, then we'll put the poles away really fast. So we'll put the big heavy one away first. Make sure they're locked. Then it goes in this little corner next to the light switch. Here's the putting it in the closet right next to the main one. And then this second pole just rests up against it. In that corner, should be all good. And then we'll put the pole, these little attachments will get put away. We'll put these in the little white container up by the volleyball net with some extra carabiners if anything were to break.